Good morning from Yuksum, guys. It's second day of our trip and it's raining since morning. The time is now 7 and I hope this rain don't ruin our plan today. We have planned to visit 2-3 places in the locality area, so let's see what happens today. So the rain has still not stopped. And talking about this town, this is also the first capital of Sikkim and also the gateway of Kanchenjunga. If you are a mountaineer, if you are a trekker, you need to come to Yuksum first, and from Yuksum you have to start the trekking for Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain of the world, and the weather has started to clear up a bit. As you can see here, the mountains are visible. In the morning nothing was visible, and locals say that view of Kanchenjunga looks beautiful from here. So we checked out from the hotel and now I don't know where we are going. Tarun is taking us, Tarun is guiding us. The rain is not stopping.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Nong and Sonam vlog. Featuring Pawan and Pawan and ASQ vlogs.
Yeah.
And our. So we are heading towards helipad. के देख्छ रे त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ तरुण हेलिप्याडबाट
हेलिकप्टर
देख्छ कि आज हेलिकप्टर
राइड लान्छ रे लान्छ हामीलाई
बेन्ने सेन्टिसङ रुइदैन अब यस्तो हिरो भएर छ.
So Tarun brought us to this helipad, but Tarun, where is helicopter? Hey Tarun,
is coming soon.
huh? When coming soon?
It is coming soon. See you back.
यसले त हामीलाई त ढुकाइदियो त हेलिप्याड भनेर, हेलिकप्टर छ भनेर त.
जान्छ
Oldest monastery.
पानी छ नि के पानी ब्रो के हुन.
So now we are moving towards the oldest monastery
Of Sikkim.
of Sikkim, oldest monastery of Sikkim,
Of
Yuksum. Sikkim है नि आज.
Of Yuksum.
Yuksum and Sikkim, entire Sikkim. Okay, so हम लोग अब कर रहे हैं short trek towards the oldest monastery of Sikkim, and thankfully मैं अपना raincoat साथ में रख लिया था मैंने, so I wore this raincoat and there's only one umbrella. एक बात तो clear है कि मेरा पवन ज़्यादा आगे निकल गया था तो he's coming, he's over here. You see him? ये बिस्तारी आएछ चिप्लो चिप्लिँदैछ नि. अनि यहाँ पे
गयो
ऊ यहाँ रहेछ. If you see this, we call it leech or worm. कहाँ छ हमको कतिवटा छ एक घन्टा. There are like 3 worms on my pant and they suck blood. So after 15 minutes of trekking, we finally reach oldest monastery of Sikkim. This is beautiful. So it was too sweet of the monk. They offered us tea to all 5 of us.
This is pure butter tea.
And this is really a sweet gesture by the Buddhist monk. This monastery was established in 1701 AD and 2019 सँग क्याल्कुलेसन गर्नु कति भयो? 318 years old monastery.
You got it right this time. Nothing is.
So okay guys, we reached to our Another destination, that is Kathok Lake, and
In Buddhist religion, we can make the puja at all times, in monthly or weekly.
no, okay, bro. Okay, so this is the speciality about this place. It is also, like he told, it is also good for bird watching, and this is also a holy lake. So we reached the lake. It is not very far from the entry, and like all the other place, this lake is beautiful, and I hope you get to see the fishes over here if they are not scared. Okay guys, so we have come to another place. I don't know what exactly it is, if it is a monastery or anything else. So और मैं बिल्कुल भी अच्छे से हर जगह को दिखा नहीं पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि it's raining. जैसे अभी तो दिखाई नहीं देगा. See, you can see all the droplets. So this is Coronation Throne Norbu Gang Archaeological Survey of India. This monument has been declared to be the national monument. So it is a monument and archaeological site. So I feel Yaksum is more of a holy place.
Yeah, I think because there are a lot of monasteries out here, right? So I
and
think it's a
there are
historical place, right?
There's a lot of historical places also. So this monastery is just beside that place where we had visited earlier. Okay, so we are back to the place where we had stayed. Now we'll have our breakfast. So the breakfast is ready, and what we have for breakfast is aloo dum, spinach, and chapati. Roti and chapati. Okay, so we are done with the breakfast. Yeah, ऊ सर चाहिँ अगाडि बस्छ अरे.
रिजर्भ छ उसको लागि चाहिँ अगाडि
तिम्रो लागि अब अगाडि नाम लेखिदिनु पर्छ अगाडि. So okay, we are done with the breakfast. Or now we will go. There are more two places to visit. One is lake and one is waterfall, I guess. And weather ने भी थोड़ी बेमानी कर दी हम लोगों के साथ जब घूमने का टाइम था. It was continuously raining, and अब it's not raining. So last look of the Yuksum town. Okay, so we have now witnessed the massive, bombastic waterfall. Just look at this waterfall, guys. Oh my god. Woo! Just have a look. There is also another waterfall over there. Two waterfalls at a single place. This is amazing. This waterfall was the best one, and now maybe one more place to visit, and then towards home. Okay, so we are at another place. पूरे रास्ते भर में सोते हुए आया और कुछ ज़्यादा ही जगह हम लोग घूम लिए, and we are now at Kechuperi. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right or not, and यहाँ पे भी एक लेक है, तो वी आर विजिटिंग दैट लेक एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ द लास्ट स्पॉट दैट वी आर गोना विजिट. So after walking like 5 minutes from the entry point, we have finally reached the lake, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it, and I will show it to you, but not in a simple way. I'll try to make some cinematic shots. So enjoy the cinematic shots, guys. So okay guys, I hope you liked all the shots here. This lake is really beautiful and fishes are so big and they are very hungry for sure. There are lots of fishes here, and it has again started to rain, so we are stuck here. So बारिश रुकने के नाम नहीं ले रही है और it's already 2 और यहाँ से करशोंग is like 110 to 20 kilometers. क्या करें, हम लोग के पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है, so we will leave for Kaohsiung. Okay, so we have now exited Sikkim and entered West Bengal. And thank you Sikkim for being so good with us. So that is Sikkim, and this bridge connects Sikkim to West Bengal. So we had stopped at this Gok Bazaar, which is like 30 kilometers before Darjeeling. We had stopped here to have food, but we did not get the food. We had Vai noodles. Okay guys, so the time is now 8:10. We have crossed Sonada and we are at Godavari. We stopped here for food. They took some noodles, I took some coffee and Kaohsiung, and Tarun took some momo. And we are like 18 kilometers before Kaohsiung. It will probably take half an hour to reach, and I'll end the vlog once I reach Kaohsiung. So see you guys there. Okay, so we reached Kaohsiung and we have come to Phatak to drop Sonam. So Sonam, we had a really good time.
Yeah,
see you soon, bro.
See you soon. Bye bye.
Okay, now we'll drop Pawan. Okay, so now we have come to Ambote to drop Pawan. So we will leave him here. Now bro. And now towards home, sweet home. This is the condition of the car after finishing the trip. Okay guys, so it's 9:30 PM and we finally reached Kaohsiung. अब हम लोग जाएंगे अपने अपने घर की तरफ. So बाकी की बात घर में होगी. Okay, so in this trip we traveled like more than 300 kilometers. We found some good roads, bad roads, lots of landslide and lot of slopey roads. And one thing that all of us were appreciating was Tarun's driving. He drives really good. And I'm very tired and feeling sleepy now. So आप लोगों को मालूम है आप लोगों को क्या करना है. If you like this vlog for any reason, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe. I am Abu Huraira signing off. GoPro, stop recording. How the chizom lagyo? Okay, so I was sleeping. Okay, so I was.